In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a document in DocuSign. DocuSign is a powerful tool for managing digital transactions and documents, ensuring that you can sign and send contracts securely and efficiently. But what happens when you need to make changes to a document that's already in progress? Let's walk through how you can easily edit your documents using DocuSign to ensure everything is up to date and correct before finalizing the signing process. To start, you'll want to navigate to your DocuSign homepage. Once you're there, locate the agreement you wish to modify. Each agreement on your homepage will typically be a part of an envelope, which is DocuSign's way of organizing related documents. Click on Envelopes, and from the drop-down menu, select Drafts. The Drafts section is where you'll find documents that have been prepped for sending, but not yet finalized. It's important to know that only envelopes in the draft stage can be directly edited. If the document has already been sent or completed, you might need to create a new envelope. Now, once you've accessed your Drafts section, look for the specific file you need to edit. Select this document. You'll notice an option to continue. Click on this to begin making your changes. Navigating through this part is intuitive, with DocuSign providing a seamless flow to ensure you can easily make required modifications. If the document has been previously signed, you'll have to consider what changes are possible without affecting its integrity. In many cases, updating specifics like signer's details or additional instructions is necessary. Here, you should start by filling in any additional details required. Enter the names and email addresses of your recipients. This is crucial because accurate details ensure your document reaches the intended parties without issues. Then, you'll also have an opportunity to add details regarding the email subject and a personalized email message. These fields help set the context for the recipient, making sure they understand the purpose of the document. Once you've filled in all the necessary fields and you're satisfied with the entered information, it's time to move on. Click Next to proceed. This action will guide you to the next steps of reviewing or further customizing your document if needed. Editing a document in DocuSign is a straightforward process, especially when you know where to look and how to navigate through the system. Whether you're updating recipient information or making additional notes, having the ability to modify a draft helps ensure your documents are as accurate and effective as possible before they're sent out for signatures. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process clear and simple for you to follow.